Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I package up one of my quilt kits. So this is how I package my kits for my Etsy shop. This is the kit called Present, and so all my pieces are already cut out. And so the way I package my kits is I make sure my fabrics are stacked neatly, and I also have them labeled so that you know what letter is what pieces has what letter. And then I'm gonna stack these on a piece of cardboard, and I want to make sure all my fabric pieces stay together, all nice and neat. And then I'm gonna stack this one here, and I try to stack them in a really way that they do not move around. So there. Let's put this one here, okay, and then we'll put this piece on top. Again, I'm gonna put this one here. I want to make sure everything is nice and secure. Alright. So this is how I package up my quilt kit for you guys. So everything's all neatly stacked, and then I have each piece has a ABCD letter, so you know what piece is what. And also you get a pattern and you get the instructions included. Okay. And so I'm gonna put this underneath. Actually, I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna put all my pieces here. Let's put this on the bottom. So we'll do it this way. I'm gonna stack it nice and neat. Pattern on the bottom. And then everything all pushed together. I want to make sure nothing moves during shipping. Let me do it that way. Yeah. Let's see. There we go. Nice and neat, neatly stacked. Okay. So this is everything that you get. Okay. And then I'm gonna wrap it up in plastic. Okay. I'm gonna carefully pick this up. I'm going to lay it on this here plastic. And you want to make sure it's secured. And then go over like this. Alright. Now, without anything moving, I have a heat sealer. Okay. So I'm going to bring it over here to the heat sealer. And we're going to heat press the plastic in place. Put it down. Okay, go down. I'm going to heat seal it in place. And then I'm going to do it one more time. And this here cuts it, the plastic. Alright, take that off. Then trim it down. And then I want to do the side. Same thing. Yep, and I'll do it one more time. Take that off. Cut off the extra And then we're going to do the other side. And I do it twice. Okay. And that seals it. Okay. And I trim off the extra. Okay. Yeah, that's right. And then this is what we get here. Now we want to squish it together. This here. Okay. And that seals it together. And we do have some air in there, so I do want to get the air out. Push it down. Do it again. A little more. And that's how I package up my kits for my shop. And then I have a label here that I put on it. Okay. And put a label on it. And we're good to go. Thanks for watching.